Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10 and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this Samsung. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to select advanced features, scroll all the way down and go into Dual Messenger. Now click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you want to clone and tap install. Then choose confirm and click on the switcher over here if you want to use separate contact list, but I don't want to, so I will go with next and yes. Now when I go back, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!